students, very good evening to all of you. So welcome to our Chakravyuh series where we are going to solve the most expected, most important MCQs from the chapter Electrochemistry. Okay, so good evening to all of you. IDK, hi dear, hello, and yes, I am very happy that you are sharp at 6 p.m. So Yashwant, very good evening to all of you. So students, now we will be doing the questions. Okay, I have brought very good important questions from this chapter. So if you do these many MCQs, then definitely you can crack the MCQs in your board exams as well as in your KSET exams. Okay, so the question pattern, questions have been taken from different levels, so you do not have to worry. So please sit with a notebook and a pen. You have to give me the answers in the comment section. Also, you have to give yourself a score. At the end, I want to know your score as well. Okay. Yes. Hi Yashwant, Shagufta, Pallavi, Devil, GS, Jogar. Yes. Okay, so apart from this, I have a very important and very good surprise for all of you. Okay, so morning, if you have seen my session, right, in the live session for master stroke, I have told you that we are closing the master stroke series for now, and we will restart it on 17th or 18th of March, and we will be starting the PU series very soon, right? So I will be giving you the schedule for chemistry PU series. Okay, so yes, I will be discussing that after doing 2-3 questions. I'll be discussing, so please stay tuned, and let's get started with the first question here. So yes, hello everyone. Pallavi, I have the surprise for you. Please don't worry, wait for the surprise. Soumya, hello, good evening. Okay, let's start with the first question with full josh. So which of the following statements associated with the electrochemical cell is incorrect? Okay, so you have to tell me the incorrect statement here. So always in the question be very particular about whether it is asked incorrect, correct, true, false, right, wrong. So please remember that. The function of a salt bridge in an electrochemical cell is to complete the circuit. The cell potential is the potential difference in a voltaic cell. A Bronsted-Lowry acid-base reaction can be taken as a basis of the net reaction in a chemical reaction in a chemical cell. Okay. A half reaction corresponds to 1 electrode in a voltaic cell. You have to give me the incorrect statement. Yes, please see incorrect statement. Why I am getting wrong answers for such a simple question? Students, incorrect statement. So function of the salt bridge is to complete a circuit. This is a correct statement. What is incorrect in this? It has many functions, no doubt, but one of the function is to complete the circuit. This is a correct statement. Cell potential is the potential difference in a voltaic cell. That is also correct. This one is the incorrect statement. See, what is the basis of electrochemical reactions? For basis of this type of cells, we have something called as redox reaction, right? So acid-base reaction cannot be a base for a cell to work. For a cell to work, we need electrons produced, right? So a redox reaction is the basis, not an acid-base reaction is not a basis for that. So the correct answer here is option number C. Okay, nobody has given the first answer correct. Very disappointing, but yes, I hope for the next question you will be answering it correctly. Okay, next question number 2. The standard electrode potentials for aluminium, silver, potassium and chromium are given. Okay, similar question I have done in the morning today also. Aluminium, then we have silver, okay, aluminium, silver, potassium, okay, and chromium. What are the values given here? Values given here are minus 1.66, okay, then we have plus 0.8, then we have minus 2.93, and last we have minus 0.74. Okay, so you have to find the reducing power. Reducing power means it will reduce others, itself it will get undergo oxidation. Oxidation potential should be maximum. That means reduction potential should be least. So whose reduction potential is least? You can see potassium here, right? So K plus has to be at the starting. So we can eliminate these two options, right? Now if you see, Next one, see the last element is different in both the case, so let us find the last element whose reducing power will be least one, right? Least reducing power means it will reduce others, itself it will get oxidized. The oxidation potential, like see, it is asking you the decreasing order of reducing power, okay? It will reduce others, itself it will get oxidation. Oxidation potential, if it is maximum, that means reduction potential is minimum. Here we want the least value, that means the oxidation potential should be least, reduction potential should be maximum. So I can see that the reduction potential is maximum for silver, right? So here, yes, reduction potential is maximum for silver, that means it will undergo reduction, it will not undergo oxidation. Not undergoing oxidation means it will not behaving as an oxidizing agent. So option number C has to be the correct answer. Yes, all of you have given correct answer. C is the correct answer. Very good. Shagufta, please check your answers. Okay, so here is the surprise that I am going to talk about. So as I told you, from tomorrow onwards we are stopping the curated series, master stroke series, and we are launching our PU2 series. And for chemistry, that will be for all the subjects PCMB. For chemistry, this is the schedule. Let me just introduce you to that. So 17th Feb, that is yesterday, I have already solved the model test paper 1. Okay, then on Feb 19, that is tomorrow, we will get a video where I will be solving all 1 marker questions. Now here 1 marker questions means your MCQ questions. So almost 200 plus questions will be solving all the chapters, like in each chapter almost 15 questions, or I can take 20 questions as well, and I will try to include previous year questions, exemplar questions and HOTS question. Okay, next on Thursday, that is 20th of February, we will be solving the model test paper 2. I want to solve either 2 or 3. Okay, I'll solve any one paper, and one paper we will keep for solving during the exam. You remember 4 days are there for chemistry exam. One paper we will solve at that point of time. Then 21st of Feb will be chemistry, all 2 or 3 marker questions. So Pallavi, your request is fulfilled on 21st of Feb. Okay, so I'll be bringing a video where I'll be solving all 2 plus 3 marker questions from the chapters. Next, coming to 21st of February only, you will getting all numerical also. Okay, so almost same, like 50 plus numericals we will try to solve. Okay, so how much numericals we can do? We have only 3 chapters. From those 3 chapters, what all numericals are possible, we will be solving. Then 23rd of Feb, you will get 1 day break from chemistry, and on 23rd I will be solving all 5 marker questions. Okay, next on 24th of February, I'll give you a passing package. So those students who haven't studied anything, for them I'll be telling you that this much you have to study to at least pass the exam. Okay, so that will be also there, and I'll also be giving you most important topics, concepts in this particular video. Okay. Yes, Ananya, definitely if you follow this series, you can definitely get 70 out of 70, I can guarantee you. But yes, you have to follow very, very religiously every questions, you have to solve it. Okay, so here we have something given to you. We missed sessions you need. Then please comment to let us know. So if you find that any other thing can be done in chemistry which will be helpful for your preparation in your PU2 final exams, you can let us know, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will definitely try to incorporate that. So while chemistry we have 4 days exam gap is there, at that time also I have planned many things like formulas in one shot, revision, all the mechanisms in one shot, all the name reactions in one shot. So these all things are also planned for the, like just before the exam, what all things we should do, a quick revision. Okay, so that time also I'll be coming, but yes, for now this is the schedule. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now shall we go back to our last next question. Okay, please see the question here, very simple, and solve it quickly. Button cell used in watches function as the following. The half cell potentials are given to you. Okay, the half cell potentials are given to you. The cell potential will be, yes, so both the reduction potentials are given. So what will be the cell potential? Very, very easy question. I want all of you to tell me the answer in quickly. Yes, Quickly, yes, Shagufta, very good. 3C is the correct answer. So you can see that this will be your anode and this will be cathode. So cathode minus anode. So 0.34 minus 0.76. So that means you have to almost add them. So you will get 1.1 volt. Okay. Next, let's move to question number 4 here. Okay, question number 4. Okay, standard reduction potentials have been given. The strongest oxidizing and reducing agent. Okay, just similar question we have solved right now. Strongest oxidizing, it will oxidize others. Itself it will get reduced. So which is having the highest reduction potential. And strongest reducing agents, reduce others, itself it will get oxidized. Oxidized means least reduction potential. So highest reduction potential and least reduction potential. So which is having the highest reduction potential and least reduction potential? I think very easily you can find it. Yes, GS Vignesh has given, Soumya has given, it is correct, option number A. Okay, so students, if you find any doubt in any question, please put down at that point itself so that I can explain you. Okay, so when you are giving correct answers, I feel that all of you are understanding it. So see, strongest oxidizing agent means it will oxidize others. Itself it will undergo reduction. So it should, reduction potential should be very high. So that is your fluorine. Okay, now strongest reducing agent means reduce others, itself it will go undergo oxidation. So if oxidation potential should be high, that means reduction potential should be low. So here if you see, this element is having the least reduction potential, so I minus will be here the correct answer. Okay, yes Vishal, during the MCQ series we have included the HOTS question as well. Okay, next, standard electrode potential for SN4 and chromium are given. So you have to calculate the cell potential. Again, very direct and easy question. Cell potential we have to calculate. Yes, quickly do the question, students, quickly. Very easy question. Quickly solve it and tell me. Okay, let me see the answer. Yes, 5A. So you have to again add these two, right? 5, see, this one is having reduction potential, so this is having the oxidation. So this will be cathode and chromium will be anode, right? Cathode minus anode. So 0.15 minus 0.74. So I will get 0.89. Option number C here. Yes, C is the correct answer. Very good. Next, question number 6. Little lengthy question, but yes, a very good question. I can say this question is really tricky. Okay, consider the following reactions for the EMF of the electrochemical cell. EMF of the cell is equal to oxidation potential of anode minus reduction potential of cathode. Oxidation potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode, reduction potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode, oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. Which of the above relations are correct? Yes, this is a tricky question. This is a really tricky question. Okay, let me tell you, see, E naught of the cell, okay, is equal to E naught oxidation plus E naught reduction. Okay, this is the actual formula. Okay, now what happens? So I can see option number 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so you can see that there is only 2 options where option number 2 is there, so we can eliminate these 2 options. Now let's check first option. Oxidation potential of anode minus reduction potential of cathode. No, this is wrong. This is the correct statement. Now if you see here, oxidation potential of anode, okay, oxidation potential of anode. Now see, if you are taking the in cathode, what happens? Reduction takes place, so reduction potential should be taken. But if you are taking the oxidation potential of cathode, where actually reduction takes place, then it will become negative. Okay, so that is why this one will become E naught of reduction. Okay, so or I can say oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation. So here, see, I can write this one as oxidation potential of cathode. So I have changed the sign here. right? So it will be option 2 and 4, that is option number D. Okay, yes, all of you are correct here. Let's move to the next question. Based on the following E0 values, the strongest oxidizing agent is. Again, very similar question. Strongest oxidizing agent. Yes, we have reduction potentials, right? So now see, strongest oxidizing agent means it will oxidize others, itself it will get reduced. So the reduction potential should be higher. So if I compare these two, this it is strongest oxidizing agent. Yes, oxidizes others, itself it will undergo reduction, right? So reduction, if it is undergoing, then its reduction potential should be higher. Then can we guess the answer here? Yes, question number 7. A lot of different answers I am getting. Okay, see, the strongest oxidizing agent, it will oxidize others, itself it will get reduced, reduction potential should be higher. So it has to be either this or this. Okay, now see, you have both the options. Now how to find out? See, this particular species is undergoing reduction, right? This species, okay, one second, just listen. Okay, here we have to see something very important. Here what is the oxidation state? +2. Here it is +3. Here it is +2, here it is +3. So these are what? These are oxidation potentials. Okay, these are oxidation potentials given. So if I want to find strongest oxidizing agent, it will oxidize others, itself it will get reduced, right? So that means if itself it is undergoing reduction, its oxidation potential should be higher or lower. See, this species, I have suppose reaction 1 and reaction 2. Please understand, very, very important. First of all, these are oxidation potentials given to you. Okay, oxidation potentials are given. How did I know? If I see the reactions, these are oxidation potential. Okay, so now it is which will behave as a strongest oxidizing agent. It will oxidize others, itself it will undergo reduction. So that means this one oxidation potential is more, so it will undergo oxidation. Its oxidation potential is less compared to this one, so this one will undergo reduction. If this one is undergoing reduction, it will behave as an oxidizing agent. So answer has to be from Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus. Now see here, what is happening? Fe2 plus is undergoing oxidation, right? So it is behaving as a reducing agent. Fe3 plus is undergoing reduction, so it will behave as an oxidizing agent. Okay, so the correct answer for this one will be Fe3 plus. Yes, students, did you first tell me, did you understand this one? No. Students, please check the concept once again. It is telling you oxidation potentials are given. Okay, strongest oxidizing agent, it will oxidize others, itself it will undergo reduction, right? Reduction. Now here, reduction means it will undergo reduction, right? Now oxidation potentials are given. So whose oxidation potential is more, that will undergo oxidation, whose oxidation potential is less, that will undergo reduction. So here oxidation potential is more, so that will undergo oxidation, oxidation potential is less, so this will undergo reduction, right? So if it is undergoing reduction, it can behave as an oxidizing agent. Now if you see Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus is getting oxidized, so the species which undergoes oxidation behaves as a reducing agent. The species which undergoes reduction behaves as an oxidizing agent. So here Fe3 plus is the oxidizing agent, Fe2 plus is the reducing agent. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Next question number 8. Which of these statements about a galvanic cell are not true? Very important, very easy question. Let me answer Aspiria's question here. Ma'am, I have finished my physics and maths, but chemistry I had read for the preparatory, need to revise the whole syllabus. How to start with it? Yes, Aspiria, you have to start with the high weightage topics. So my suggestion will be first start with the organic chemistry chapters, do the previous year questions, okay, last 5 years of previous year questions, solve the model test papers. Okay, that is what you can follow at this point of time. Okay, the cathode carries a positive charge. Yes, this is correct. anions migrate towards the cathode, okay, you have to file not true, okay. So anions always move towards the, anions are negatively charged, right, okay. So anions will move towards, cathode is, okay. Next, the electrons are released through the anode. Yes, electrons are released through the anode. So 1 and 3 cannot be the answer, right? So this is correct, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, this also cannot be the answer. So it has to be 2 and 4. Yes, all of you are correct, very good. Next, question number 9. A solution of potassium bromide is treated with each of the following. Which one will liberate bromine? Okay, so you have potassium bromide, okay, and you are treating with each of these. Then in which case we will get Br2 gas? That is the question. Very simple question. So now you see, you require something here which can replace this bromine, right? We need something which is having higher reactivity than bromine. Higher reactivity than bromine, right? So if you know the order, so it's chlorine, then bromine, and then iodine, right? Now I think all of you should be able to answer. Yes, very good. IDK, yes. Okay, 9C is the correct answer. Chlorine is the correct answer. So chlorine is the more reactive, right? So what we'll do, chlorine will replace this one. So we will get 2KCl. Okay, so to balance this one, I can just write like this. So KCl will form and Br2 will be produced here. Yes, all of you are correct here. Okay, 10th one, electrolytic cell are electrolytic cells are electrochemical cells in which dash reactions are forced to occur by the input of electrical energy. Okay, Pratiksha, no issues. You can follow our channel from now onwards if you want to, if you want some help in your preparation. Okay. Aspirants, my friends are following those long hour marathon videos. Are those helpful? Aspirants, it is, see, those long videos are generally, like, I feel it is something which is distracting when it is too much live, okay. And at this point of time when exams are there, I think we are coming up with sessions where we'll be discussing all the questions, and we will keep it recorded so that you can watch in your own space. Whichever the questions you know, you can skip it, and that will save a lot of your time. That is what we think. But again, if you, whichever is comfortable for you, you can follow that, okay. Yes, hello boys, these MCQs are enough, okay. 10th B, yes, when you are providing electricity, it is definitely a non-spontaneous reaction. So option number B is the correct answer, okay. Next, question number 11. Yes, if the E0 values of a reaction has a negative value, okay. So if E0 is negative, which of the following gives the correct relationship for the values of delta G and K equilibrium? Okay, so we know the relation delta G is equal to minus NF E0 of the cell, okay, and we have E of the cell, E0 of the cell is equal to 0.059 by N log K. So here are two things given. No, Kaushik is correct here. Yes, Kaushik, very good. So now see, delta G, if E value is negative, so negative will be positive, so delta G will be greater than 0, okay. So these two options we can eliminate. Now again, if this one is negative, okay, so I can write like this, minus E0 of the cell into N by 0.059 is equal to log of K, right. So K will be equal to 10 to the power of minus something, right. So 10 to the power of minus something means it will be 1 by something, 10 to the power of this x, so it will be less than 1, so K value will be less than 1. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay, next, question number 12. So this is very simple question, all of you can answer, very direct question. Yes, very direct question, students. Can you answer this one? Quick answer on this. Okay. (12A), yes, the name of 12A, no, yes, Nernst equation, students, Nernst equation is the correct answer here. Okay, Nernst equation is the correct answer. You know this equation. Next question, what occurs when an atom is oxidized in a chemical reaction? Yes, this is very simple. Oxidation, if it takes place, what will happen? Aspirants is having a question here. Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance. In organic part, while writing organic reactions, for 2 mark we need to write the balanced equation and names of the reactant and product. Okay, Aspirant, no need to be sorry. There is no point. There is no nothing wrong in asking this question. I'll answer it to you. Okay, so yes, so first of all, yes, it is better if you write the reactants, the name of the reactants in like alkyl halide, what you have taken, it is always better to write it, and balancing is not that important in organic reactions, but writing the names is very important. It will give you some extra advantage. Okay. Next, okay, so what happens here? A loss of electrons and decrease in oxidation number, loss of electrons and increase in oxidation number, right? So when our oxidation takes place, there is loss of electrons and the oxidation number increases. Yes, all of you are correct here. Okay. Next, question number 14. Standard cell potential is, very simple question this one. Smiley, ma'am, please as soon as possible do all MCQs. Dear, I think you have missed the first part of this video. I have told you the schedule that we are going to follow from then tomorrow, and in that tomorrow only you will be getting all the MCQ questions from chemistry. Okay, please do not worry. Okay, thank you, Aspiria, welcome. Okay, next, 14th question. Standard cell potential, yes, all of the above. 25 degrees Celsius, 1 molar concentration, pressure is 1 atm, all of the above. Okay. Next, question number 15. Which of the following statements associated with corrosion is incorrect? You have to find the incorrect statement. Okay. Incorrect statement. D. Okay, you have to find the incorrect statement. Iron corrodes more easily than aluminium because iron is more reactive than aluminium. Okay, cathodic protection prevents the corrosion by using a sacrificial anode. This I think most of you will be knowing, a method called as sacrificial protection, where you cover the more reactive metal over it so that it undergoes oxidation fast and the iron is protected. A corroding metal has both the anodic and cathodic areas. This is also correct. Corrosion involves oxidation and reduction. Yes, because it is a redox phenomenon. So yes, this is also correct. Next, iron corrodes more readily than aluminium because iron is more active than aluminium. No. See, aluminium is more active than iron, reactive than iron. But what happens? Aluminium forms an oxide layer, okay, over it, due to which, although it is more reactive, but it corrodes at a lesser speed. Okay, so option number A is the incorrect statement. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Option number A here. Okay. Okay, next, question number 16. In the lead storage battery, yes, in the lead storage battery, what happens? Yes, quickly answer the question, students. What will happen here? In the lead storage battery, a reversible reaction can occur to recharge the battery. Yes, definitely. Lead is oxidized to create the flow of electrons. Yes, that is also correct. Lead forms the cathode when it is being reduced. That is also correct. So option number here, correct answer is option number D. Okay, all the above. Right? 16D, yes, all of you are correct. Next, question number 17. A voltaic cell has E0 value of -1 volt. The reaction is, okay, just now we have solved it. E0 value is negative. So the reaction will be spontaneous. Positive delta G value, negative delta G value has K equal to 1. Okay. Yes, students, quick answer. Yes, 17C I have got answer. Delta G has a negative value. No dear Kaushik, it is wrong. B is the correct answer. Yes. See, you have just now we discussed, right? Delta G is equal to minus NF E naught of the cell. If E is already negative, negative, we will get positive, right? Yes. Next question number 18. Which of the following is false regarding the salt bridge used in voltaic cell? Regarding the salt bridge used in voltaic cell, okay? So can we tell about salt bridge? Allows for the two half cells reactions to be kept separated, maintains the electrical neutrality in each half cell, allows mixing of the two electrode solutions, is made up of a medium through which ions can slowly pass. Which is the statement false for this one? Yes, very easy question this one. Easy question, students, quick answer I want. Very easy, very direct and easy question. 18A IDK, no dear, it's wrong. See, salt bridge helps to keep the two solutions separate, right? The correct answer here is allows mixing of the two electrode solution. Does it mix two solutions? No, right? Salt bridge helps to keep the two solutions separate. So yes, option D is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Yes, C is the correct answer here. Next question number 19. The advantage of fuel cells include. Okay, so what are the advantages of fuel cell? They can be recharged, they can be made produce less harmful pollutants, they can be made to run very quietly, all of the above. Okay, so Smiley, in one shot all 1 marks of all the chapters covering. Yes dear, all the chapters 1 marker questions will be covered. 18th is C dear, 18th is C. Smiley, it is C. Okay, 19D, yes, IDK, correct. All of the above. Fuel cells have less pollution, less noise, and they can be easily recharged by adding more reactants. You do not have to do any reversing of reactions. Next, an aqueous solution of NaCl on electrolysis will give you. You have aqueous solution of NaCl. So you have Na plus, Cl minus, H plus and OH minus. So these two will move towards anode, these two will move towards cathode. So what will be produced at cathode and what will be produced at anode? Quick answer. Yes, very good. Very good. So we will have H2, Cl2 and NaOH. Option number D. Yes, D is the correct answer. Okay. Next, it is NaOH. Okay. So we will also get NaOH produced here. So NaOH also you should include. Okay. Next, question number 21. Limiting molar conductivity NH4OH is equal to. 20 is D, 20 is D, students. NaOH is produced in the solution, so that also you need to consider. Okay, is it mentioned only about electrolysis? No, the final products of electrolysis. If it is mentioned only in the electrodes, then yes, chlorine is produced and H2 is produced at electrodes, but overall products of electrolysis also includes NaOH. Okay, next, 21. Limiting molar conductivity. Okay, Ananya has a question here. See, if you see, in the solution H plus will go towards the cathode, okay, and will reduce to H2. Cl minus will go towards anode and will reduce to Cl2. In the solution you will have Na plus and OH minus, which will form NaOH. Okay, I hope Ananya your doubt is cleared. Okay, 21st question. 21st question, I need NH4OH. So NH4Cl plus NaOH, then minus NaCl. Yes, option number D is absolutely correct. Yes, 21 will be D. Next, question number 22. Which, okay, so aluminium sulfate. What will be the value of the molar conductance of aluminium sulfate? Very easy question. From Kohlrausch's law. 22A. Yes, Advay, Ananya, all of you are correct. Here 2 aluminium plus 3 sulfate ions. Okay, option number A. Next, Kohlrausch's law states that, okay, so this is a very important question about the definition of Kohlrausch's law. At infinite dilution, each ion makes definite contribution to the conductance of an electrolyte, whatever be the nature of the other ion of the electrolyte. Okay, so that is the correct statement here. Okay, so at infinite dilution, both the ions behave independently. The conduction of one ion is not affected by the other ion. Okay, so that is what the definite contribution to the conductance of an electrolyte, whatever be the nature of the other ion of the electrolyte. Okay, so yes, 23 is A answer. I have already told you. Okay, next question number 24. On electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product obtained at anode will be. Okay, so you have dilute sulfuric acid. So I have what? H plus and SO4 minus, H plus and OH minus, right? So these one will move towards anode and here it will be towards cathode. So what will be produced at the anode? Okay, Smiley, at the end of the session I will discuss this problem, so please do not worry, we will talk about this. Okay, (24A). No dear, what is produced at anode, not cathode? At cathode we will have H2 gas. At anode what will be produced? No. So Soumya has given correct answer. At anode there is oxygen. OH minus will undergo oxidation to give you oxygen gas. Next, when 0.1 mole of MnO4 2- is oxidized, the quantity of electricity required to completely oxidize MnO4 2- to MnO4-. This is again important as well as not tricky but yes, easy question. MnO4 2- to MnO4-. Okay, so it is what? Plus 6 and this one is plus 7. So how much electrons we have? 1 mole of electrons, or I can say 1 Faraday, right? So 1 Faraday means 96500 coulombs. Okay, and that will give you option number A. Yes, 25th A is the correct answer. Okay, very good. A is the correct answer. Next, question number 26. A device that converts energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen and methane directly into electrical energy is known as. This is a very easy question. Yes, Ananya, 25th A is correct answer. Okay. This one I want all of you to answer. Very easy question. Yes, C is correct answer. Uday, IDK, Bhuvan, all of you have answered. C is the correct answer. Okay, fuel cell. Next, zinc can be coated on iron to produce galvanized iron, but the reverse is not possible. It is because the same question I have discussed today morning as well. If you have watched my master stroke series, today question we have discussed the same question. What will be the answer for this one? Yes. Soumya is asking something. 25th question. One second. Okay. Sorry. Yes, sorry here students, a small mistake. Yes, small mistake. So for 1 mole I need 1 Faraday. Okay, so here it is 0.1 mole. So that means 0.1 Faraday. That means 0.1 into 96500. So it is 9650 coulomb. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. This is 0.1. Okay, thank you Soumya, thank you so much. Okay, I didn't see this one, I missed this one. Thank you so much dear. It is 9650 coulomb. Okay. Next, yes, question number 27 I have already explained today. Let's see who is giving me correct answer. So you know here if we have iron rod, okay, and we are coating it with a zinc rod. Okay, so why we are doing that? Because zinc has more tendency to get oxidized. Okay, means zinc oxidation potential of zinc is more than oxidation potential of iron. That means I can also say in other words that reduction potential of zinc is less than the reduction potential of iron. Okay, so zinc has higher negative electrode potential than iron. Okay, zinc has more negative reduction potential than iron, so option number D here. Okay. Okay, 27D correct answer. Next, move to next question. The most convenient method to protect the bottom of the ship made of iron is. Okay, so this is also something related to rusting. You have to say the bottom of the iron is made up, the bottom of the ship is made up of iron. How can you protect it? Coating it with lead oxide, tin plating, connecting it with magnesium block, or connecting it with lead block. Very think properly. You have to find one metal which is more reactive than iron. Okay, which is more reactive than iron. So if you see, let me see who is giving this correct answer. No, IDK, it is wrong. Those who are saying B, it is wrong. Yes, Ananya is correct here. Ananya is correct here. See, you have to find a metal which is more reactive than iron. Lead is less reactive than iron. Tin is less reactive than iron. Okay, again here also lead is there. Magnesium is more reactive than iron, so it can be used for protecting iron because it will undergo oxidation faster. Okay, so option number C here. Next, to protect iron against corrosion, the most durable metal used for plating on it is. Okay, this is also very direct question. All of you might be knowing this one. We do plating of which metal? Yes, Uday, active metal, very good. Okay, so we do next question. We do plating for which metal? Copper plating, zinc plating, nickel plating, and tin plating. Yes, 29, all of you are correct here. Zinc plating, option number B. Okay, clear. Next, question number 30. In a dry cell, you can read the options and give me answer. Here, BGM, JK, BGM, ma'am, I said first. Yes, dear, you said first, but you are not mentioning the question number, so I am not able to know you are answering for which question. So please put the question number and answer, then only I can know that, okay, you are answering for that particular question. Okay, fine. Smiley metal reactivity series, you have to remember. Okay, there is a series just to find out the reactivity series of metals. You will have 10-15 elements, you have to remember that series. Okay, you might have studied that in class 10 metals and non-metals chapter, right? Reactivity series should be remembered there. Okay. Okay, next question number 30. 30. In a dry cell, what happens? The graphite rod is a negative terminal. Ammonia gas is accumulated in the cell during its working. Zinc vessel is used as a negative terminal. Cellular reaction involves the complex formation of zinc and MnO2. So yes, let me show you here. This is the paragraph that is given about dry cell. Okay, so you can read it. From here we can find out the answer. So graphite rod is a negative terminal. No, let us see. So here you can see it consists of a zinc container that acts as an anode. So zinc will act as an anode, and if it is acting as an anode, it will lose electrons and it will be a negative terminal. Okay, so I can easily tell that option number C is the answer. Next, we have a carbon or graphite rod surrounded by magnesium oxide and carbon. Okay, the space between is filled with NH4Cl and ZnCl2. So that means what? If this is the cathode part, right? So it will be positively in charge. So this is wrong. Ammonia gas accumulated in the cell? No. Which gas is accumulated? There is no accumulation of ammonia gas. So that is also okay. Next, ammonia formed in the reaction forms a complex with Zn2+. So Zn2+ forms complex with ammonia. Okay, not with manganese dioxide. So this is also wrong. So C is the correct statement here. Okay, next 31. The cell constant is defined by. Very easy question. Pratik has a question which preparation is done here. So Pratik, we do K-set, Comet K and PU2, PU1 preparation. Okay, so if you are an aspirant for that, you can attend our series definitely. Okay. Okay. Yes, 30C, JK, BGM has given correct answer. Let's move to 31. Yes, 31A is correct answer. Cell constant is represented by L by A. Symbol used is G star. Okay. Next, 32. Unit of molar conductivity, lambda m. What is its unit? Yes, 32. Yes, quick question here. Yes, all of you are saying correct. Yes, Pradeep, it is also for PU1 and PU2. This is all. Yes, 32 is A. Very good. All of you have given correct answer. It is S meter square mole inverse or S centimeter square mole inverse. Okay. Next, question number 32. Molar conductivity of a solution increases with. This is very important question. What is the relation? Molar conductivity formula is kappa by C, right? So molar conductivity of the solution will increase with what? Decrease in concentration, increase in concentration, decrease or increase in concentration, none of this. Yes. Quick answer. Yes, very good. Decrease in concentration. So if concentration decreases, molar conductivity will increase, right? Inversely proportional. So A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 34. When the concentration of the electrolytic solution approaches 0, the resulting conductivity is known as, okay? So specific conductance, resistivity, limiting molar conductivity or molar conductivity. What is the term used for the molar conductivity when the concentration approaches to 0? Yes, Pratiksha, very good. Yes, 34C, Uday, Ananya, you are correct. It is limiting molar conductivity. This is very term based question. Next, for strong electrolytes, the molar conductivity lambda m increases slowly with dilution and can be represented by the equation. So this is your D by Huckel-Onsager equation. So which is that equation? What is the correct equation for this one? Okay, Pradeep, I will be answering this to your question at the end of the session, so we will not be disturbing in between. So at the end of the session, I will be answering. Okay, so please wait. Okay, do not worry, dear. I'll answer. 35A is the correct answer. D by Huckel-Onsager equation. Okay. Next, 36. The plot of lambda m against C. We use a straight line with intercept. What is the intercept of this one? This is very important question here again. You have this one, right? Lambda m is equal to lambda naught m minus a root over of C. Okay, so we have y is equal to this one. Okay, so I will draw a graph here. So what is y here? Lambda m, x is root over of C. Okay, now lambda naught m, we have an equation minus a, right? So it is like this. The graph is like this. Okay, so where this is the slope is minus a and this term is lambda naught m. Okay, so what is the intercept here? B. Okay, so option number B. Okay, next we'll move to question number 37. The quantity of charge required to obtain 1 mole of aluminium from Al3 plus. Okay. Okay, Daisy, I think you have some problem with your device because other students are able to hear it. Yes, so we have 3 Faraday, right? 37C, aluminium 3 plus, right? Al3 plus plus 3 electrons will give me Al, right? So this is 3 Faraday. Okay, so yes. Okay, question answer is 37C here. Next, question number 38. The quantity of electricity charge required to reduce 1 mole of MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Yes, Sanjay, you can expect similar questions in the board exam. These are the questions from board, bank and your PU2 model papers. Questions have been included. Okay. Daisy is saying voice is not audible. So students, other students, please confirm, is there any problem with the voice or is it audible to all of you? Okay. Yes, 38 MnO4 minus is plus 7, right? Plus 7 to plus 2, it is 5 moles. So it will be 5 Faraday. MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus, right? So it is 7. Plus 7 to plus 2 is how much? Plus 5 electrons. So that means 5 Faraday. Yes. 38C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 39. This is very tricky question. This is very tricky question. Let me see who's answering correctly here. The charge required to reduce 1 mole of Cr2O72 minus 2 Cr3 plus. Very, very important question. You have 1 mole of Cr2O72 minus 2 Cr3 plus. Here the charge is plus 6. Here it is plus 3. How much charge will be required? Yes, Uday, 39C is absolutely correct. Most of you might think that it is 3 Faraday, right? But here you have to see 2 chromium is there. So here it will be also 2 chromium. So plus 6 to plus 3 is 3 Faraday. Now 2 chromium is 3 Faraday plus 3 Faraday. Total will be 6 Faraday. So option number C is correct here. Yes, very good. Next, question number 40. Which of the statements about the solution of electrolyte is not correct? What is not correct about electrolyte? Okay, so conductivity of the electrolytic solution depends on the size of the ions and their solvation. Conductivity depends upon the nature of the solvent and its viscosity. Conductivity does not depend on the solvation of the ions and present ions in the solution. Conductivity of the solution increases with the temperature. You have to find which is not correct. Yes, which is not correct? 40C. Yes, Uday, absolutely correct. It depends on the solvation of the ions. Yes, it definitely depends on the solvation of the ions. So correct answer is option number C. Yes, all of you are correct here. Next, question number 41. On diluting electrolytic solution, both conductivity and molar conductivity decreases, both conductivity and molar conductivity increases. Conductivity decreases but molar conductivity increases. Conductivity increases but molar conductivity decreases. So we are talking about kappa and lambda m, dependency on these two factors on what we'll say concentration. Yes, 41C. Yes, Ananya, you are correct. Yes, so Uday and JKBGM, all of you are correct here. Okay. Okay, so conductivity K will decrease, okay, and lambda m will increase. Next, question number 42. SI unit of conductivity is? Okay, IDK has a question here. How many questions are there? So there are total 65 questions, dear. We are in 41 question. We have to do 24 more questions. Okay. 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 So yes, we have conductivity units is S meter inverse. Okay. S meter inverse, option number B here. Yes. Very good. Next, question number 43. The relationship between conductivity and molar conductivity when the concentration is in moles per meter cube. Okay, very important question. So you can see here lambda m is equal to kappa by C, right? Now what is this? We have C is what? C is number of moles per unit volume, or I can say C unit is moles per liter. moles per liter, or I can write like kappa by moles per liter. Okay, so it is 1 liter. So 1 liter is 1000 ml. Okay, or I can say 1 ml, okay, is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So that means this is 1000 centimeter cube. Now I know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So I can write is like 10 to the power of 3. For this centimeter I can write 10 to the power of minus 2 meter cube. So what I'll get here, see, this is 10 to the power of 3, this is 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. So it will become 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Okay, so what I can put here, K by 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube moles. Concentration is in moles per meter cube. So that can be written as K by 1000. Okay, C is there, right? K by 1000. So which one will be the answer here? Let me see. 43. 43 is your C, option number C here. Okay, yes. Self-confidence or self-conductance. Sorry dear, I didn't get specific conductance. The specific conductance is conductivity. Okay, 43C is the correct answer. Next, question number 44. Kohlrausch's law is applicable for concentrated solution, infinite dilution, concentrated as well as dilute solution, none of the above. Next question, please answer, students. Yes, 44 direct question. 44A, no, I am not getting correct answer. 44 is C, sorry. 44 is B, at infinite dilution. We write like this, right? Molar conductivity at infinite dilution, that is limiting molar conductivity. It is written as 44. B will be the answer here. Nobody has given correct answer. Disappointing again. 45. During the electrolysis of molten NaCl using platinum electrode, the products liberated at anode and cathode are respectively. The products that is formed at anode and cathode respectively. You have electrolysis of Na plus and Cl minus. What will you get at anode and what will be getting at cathode? So this is positively charged, it will move towards negative electrode. This is negatively charged, will move towards positive electrode. So at Cl minus we will get Cl2, Na plus we will get Na. Right. So what will be produced at anode? At anode it will be chlorine gas. Okay, so option number A. Okay, I have no students, you are giving wrong answers today. Yes, 45A is the correct answer. Next, question number 46. The minimum excess potential over the standard electrode potential required to discharge an ion is called as. So this is again important question. Okay, so this question was there in some of the previous year questions I have seen. The minimum excess potential over the standard electrode potential. So this is called as your, let me see who have this answer. Can you guess this answer? Yes, very good. A is correct answer. Samiksha, A is correct answer, that is over potential. Next, anodic reaction in the electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid. So you have dilute sulfuric acid, means you have H plus and you have H plus, OH minus and SO4 2 minus. So at which one will undergo reaction in the dilute sulfuric acid? So if you remember, OH minus or water will undergo reaction. So what will be the answer for this one? Yes. Amu, please give with question number. Please mention your answers with question number so that I can know which question you are answering. Okay. Yes. Okay, so A is the correct answer here. OH will undergo oxidation and O2 will be produced. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next question number 48. The products discharged at anode by electrolyzing dilute H2SO4 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, so you have at anode with dilute and concentrated. Just now we have discussed about dilute. So can we tell the answer for this one? Yes. Let me see who is answering for 48th question correctly. 48C, yes, JKBGM has given correct answer. So for concentrated, it will be S2OH 2- and for dilute, OH- will undergo oxidation to give you O2. Okay, 48C is the correct answer. Next question number 49. The anodic reaction that occurs during dry cell. Okay, so what anode reaction happens during the dry cell? So just now I had shown you the dry cell, right? Zinc is the anode there. So zinc will undergo oxidation. So which reaction will take place there? Mahadeva solutions chapter we have already done. Today's you can see Chakravyuh series, the last class of the chemistry. If you check, solutions chapter is already done. Yes, students, which one will be the answer here? Very easy question. Dry cell, yes, Smiley, A is correct. Zinc is used as an electrode, so zinc will undergo oxidation. Okay, yes, A is the correct answer. 50th question. In dry cell, the formed ammonia forms a complex with zinc. So zinc and ammonia will form a complex. I have told you, I have shown you in the PPT. So what will be that complex? ZnNH3 whole 4 2 plus, ZnNH3 whole 4 6 2 plus. What is that complex? So if I show you, one second, somewhere I have given that one, right? Yes, you can see here I have given here regarding zinc. So zinc 2 plus forms a complex with the ammonia ZnNH3 whole 4 2 plus, right? So we can easily find our answer now. Okay, so what will be the answer? Just a minute, I was in question number 50. Okay, yes, so what will be the answer here? Yes, A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. ZnNH3 whole 4 2 plus. Okay, next, last 15 questions, students. Let us hurry up. Anodic reactions which occur in the mercury cell. Okay, so we are now discussing questions from commercial batteries. So mercury cell, what is the anode reaction that takes place? Yes, anodic reaction that takes place in mercury. So I will show you the reaction. So at anode mercury cell, what happens? It is used, that you know, and then it consists of zinc and mercury amalgam as the anode. So zinc and mercury amalgam as the anode, and a paste of mercury oxide and carbon as the cathode. So we have here, you can see the anodic reaction, zinc amalgam plus 2 OH minus gives this one, ZnO plus H2O plus 2 electrons. So obviously the answer has to be option number A. Okay. Okay. Yes, next question number 52. The reducing agent and oxidizing agent used in mercury cell. Okay, so just now we have discussed zinc amalgam is used in the anode, right, and mercury oxide is used as cathode. Now zinc will undergo oxidation, it will behave as an reducing agent. HgO will undergo reduction, it will behave as an oxidizing agent. So the question is asking you reducing agent. So which one is reducing agent? Zinc amalgam. And which one is the oxidizing agent? HgO, right? So what will be the answer here? 52C will be the correct answer. Okay, C will be the correct answer here. I hope all of you are getting. Okay, next question number 53. The electrolytic used in the lead storage battery is the electrolytic solution or the electrolyte used in the lead storage battery. This is also very important question. Okay, so if you see the lead storage battery, you can see here a line was given. A 38% solution of sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte. Okay, so what will be the answer here, students? Already it is given. I have shown you 38% sulfuric acid. Okay, 53A. Next question number 54. The overall reaction during the discharge in nickel cadmium battery is. Nickel cadmium battery reactions, if you have remembered, nickel is undergoing oxidation and cadmium is undergoing reduction, right? So here you can see nickel is in +3 state and it goes +2 state. Cadmium is 0 and cadmium goes to +2. Sorry, cadmium undergoes oxidation, nickel undergoes reduction. Okay, so you can see this reaction as well. Cadmium plus 2 NiOH whole 3 gives cadmium oxide plus 2 NiOH whole 2 plus H2O. Okay, so the reaction for this one will be option number A. Next we have the product liberated at cathode when aqueous solution of NaCl is electrolyzed. So you have aqueous solution of NaCl. Okay, so I write like this. Okay, so these two are positively charged, so they will move towards the negatively charged electrode, that is cathode, and these are negatively charged and they will move towards the positively charged electrode, that is anode. So what will be the product produced at cathode, Na plus or H plus? Which one will undergo reduction? Which one will undergo reduction? H1, see H plus will undergo reduction. Okay, H plus will undergo reduction and H2 will be formed. Option number B here. Okay, yes, Smiley is correct. Next question number 56. Which one of the following is a secondary battery? So dry cell, mercury cell, Leclanche cell or lead storage cell. So we know the secondary batteries are those batteries which can be reused or which can be used again. Okay, yes. This is very easy and direct question. Yes, lead storage battery is a secondary battery. Okay. Next question number 57. When lead storage cell is in use, means during discharging process. So if you remember, let me tell you, lead has anode, okay, and it has cathode, right? At anode what happens? Oxidation will takes place, right? So PB gets converted to PbSO4, okay, during anode reaction. This is 0, this is +2. At cathode what happens? PbO2 gets converted to PbSO4. So this is +4 and this is +2. So this is reduction, okay, and this one is oxidation. So what is there? At anode, Pb is converted into PbSO4. At cathode, Pb is converted to PbSO4. At anode, PbO2 is converted to PbSO4. At anode, Pb is converted to PbO2. So you can see the first statement is correct. At anode, Pb is converted to PbSO4. Okay. 57A. Yes, Manjeshwar has given correct answer. Okay. Next question number 58. In H2O2 fuel cell, H2 and O2 gases are passed into the electrolyte of. So what is the electrolyte used in fuel cell? So if you have, electrolyte, which is the electrolyte used in fuel cell? Electrolyte used in fuel cell. Yes, JK BGM has given correct answer. It is aqueous NaOH. Okay. Next, during rusting of iron, the anode reaction taking place is. So what reaction takes place at anode? No dear, it is not molten NaOH, it is aqueous NaOH. Okay, 57A is the correct answer. Okay, So here what iron at anode means, it is always oxidation, right? We can easily find out where oxidation is taking place. Here it is reduction, so you can eliminate. Okay, so here if you see, here is also it is reduction, you can eliminate. Here yes, here it is oxidation, but during rusting of iron, iron is taken as a anode and it undergoes oxidation, right? So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Okay, so where you can see Fe is 0, 0 to plus 2, oxidation is taking place. Okay, yes, Smiley has given correct answer. Next question number 60. Which of the following statement is correct to lambda not CH3COOH? Yes, how can we get molar conductivity for CH3COOH? Okay, can we find any of this? Which one will be the correct one? Yes. Okay, so here the answer will be CH3CONA plus CH3CO plus HCl. So here NaCl will be produced and you have to subtract NaCl. So option number B is the correct answer here. Next, last 5 questions. Let's move fast. So what is the answer for this one? Which of the following is the correct expression from lambda naught of MgCl2? Okay, direct question. MgCl2, which is the expression for molar conductivity of MgCl2? Yes, from Kohlrausch's law we can say it is lambda naught of Mg2 plus 2 times lambda naught of Cl minus, right? So that is option number B here. Okay, next, very good. 61B is correct. 62. Li has a lower reduction potential indicating that lithium metal is. Now see, if it is having lower reduction potential, that means it has a higher oxidation potential. So Li has higher oxidation potential, means it has the more tendency to get oxidized. If it will behave, if it will undergo oxidation, it will behave as an reducing agent. So it is a strongest oxidizing agent, weakest reducing agent, strongest reducing agent. So what can be the answer here? Yes, Manjeshwar is giving correct answer. 62, C is correct. Okay, next question number 63. Inert electrodes are not participated in the reaction, but okay, so we know inert electrodes do not participate in reaction, but provide their surface for oxidation and conduction of electrons, provide their surface for reduction and conduction of electrons, provide their surface for oxidation or reduction and the conduction of electrons, provide their surface for oxidation or reduction. Yes. 63, what will be the correct answer? No, JK, BGM. See, it doesn't only provide for oxidation, it doesn't provide only for reduction. It provides for oxidation or reduction and also for conduction of electrons. So option number C here. Next, the difference between the electrode potentials of two electrodes when no current is drawn through it, when no current is drawn through the cell, is called as. What is the name given here? When no current is drawn. Yes, last one more question is there. Yes, cell electromotive force. Very good, Manjeshwar and JK. Next, last question. A cell behaves as an electrolytic cell when E of the cell is greater than E is equal to E external potential, E of the cell is greater than E external, E of the cell is, E external is greater than E of the cell, E cell is equal to 0. Yes, in which case we will have this one. When will it behave as a (65B)? No dear, See, when the external potential is more than the EMF of the cell, then it will behave as an electrolytic cell. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. No, Manjeshwar, C is the correct answer here. Okay. So fine students, these were the questions. So I just want to show you once again. We have discussed so many questions and I want to draw your attention towards this one. So from tomorrow, KSET Master Stroke series is on held, or it is paused because of your PU2 exams, and we are coming up with this type of series for all the subjects. Okay, so tomorrow we will have chemistry, all 1 marker questions, all the chapters will be included. Okay, and chemistry model paper 2 or 3 I will decide, but yes, one of the model paper will be solving on 20th of Feb. 21st of Feb you will be getting 2 videos from chemistry, that is 2 plus 3 markers and PU2 all numericals. Then 23rd you will get all 5 marker questions in one video. I'll club all the questions, and on 24th we'll be giving you a passing package. Okay. Yes, so students, if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can put down your comments now. So I generally don't take any other doubts except from the academic in between the video, because so that those students who are watching this for MCQs, they don't get distracted later if you're watching it, right? So that is the purpose, and I hope all of you understand it. So if you have any questions, you can put down here now in the comment section. I will definitely address it. Okay. Okay, Smiley is asking 62nd question, I didn't understand. Okay dear, let us discuss 62 question once again. Yes, okay. So now you can see here, see, lithium has the lowest reduction potential. Means what? Lithium has the lowest reduction potential. That means I can say lithium has highest oxidation potential. Means lithium has more tendency to get oxidized. Okay, if it is has more tendency, because it is having lowest reduction potential, by default we can say that it has highest oxidation potential. Lithium has more tendency to get oxidized. So what I can say, lithium will undergo oxidation, and you know, any species which undergoes oxidation behaves as an reducing agent, right? So if lithium is the one which will undergo oxidation fastest or the best way, okay, so that means it will also behave as a very good reducing agent. So that is why option number C here. Okay. Yes, Smiley, 62nd question I have explained. I hope your doubt is cleared. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay. Yes, Shweta, we will provide the PDF. Okay, do not worry. For Master Stroke and for Chakravyuh series, we will be providing the this one very soon. Okay. Yes, Shweta, we will do it. Okay, so students, as I said you, any doubts if you have, then please do let me know quickly. Okay, any doubt if you have, we will discuss, or else we can wind up the session so that you can go and prepare for your board exams. Okay, any doubt, students? Yes, Shweta, PDF will be provided. Yes, any other doubts? Okay, fine then. I think there is no doubt. We can move to the winding up of the session. Okay, I don't find any questions. Just let me check once again. Okay, timings of tomorrow's session. So Smiley, tomorrow we were not going to have any KSET series. Okay, I have already shown you what all videos will be coming tomorrow. Okay, so you can just check. 1 second. Yes, you can see tomorrow we will get chemistry all 1 marker questions. Timings will be just, you can subscribe our channel and put the notifications on, so whenever it will be released you will get a notification before that. Okay, yes, that's fine, that works, Smiley. Yes dear, timings as I told you, these are the videos. Mostly you will get in the by 1 PM, most probably. Okay, by 1 PM you will get this video. okay, by 1 p.m. most probably, but yes, it may be changed or some delay may happen. So that is why please turn on your notifications, bell icon, so that you don't miss this video. Okay, it is recorded, all these videos will be recorded, so do not worry, it will be a recorded session. And as I told you, here something is written, we missed sessions, you need comment to let us know. So yes students, if you have any other things that you think can be done for your betterment, for your class, which will help you in your preparation, you can also put that in the comment section. We will definitely address to it. Okay. Okay students, I think that's all. It will be recorded, Smiley, it will be recorded. Okay, so that's all students. So bye bye, take care, all the very best for your preparation, and if you need any help in chemistry, do put us in the comment section. Okay, thank you and see you soon, and let's see tomorrow with this 1 marker session where we are going to discuss the 1 mark questions from all the chapters. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye students.